Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a decent mic and granting the app mic and file permissions so recording works reliably. Once done, set your sample rate to 44, 1K HZ or 48K HZ, and create a new project with a clear name and save folder. Next, import or paste your script so the app can sync text with takes. Make sure your input device is selected and levels show peaking below 0 dB. Start with a test phrase to verify audio path and gain. You now record clear takes using a pop filter and consistent distance, record multiple passes, and label each take. Once you have good material, trim silences and use short crossfades to avoid clicks, then align clips to timeline markers for pacing. Apply light noise reduction only when needed, cut mud in the 100-300 Hz range, and add a mild compressor at a 3:1 ratio to even dynamics. Keep monitoring meters, make small adjustments, and save incremental. You finish by choosing the right export, WAV 24-bit for masters or MP3 192-320 kbps for distribution. Normalize to about -1.0 dBFS and add metadata like title and author. Save the exported file with a clear date and version, then make a backup copy to cloud or external drive. If your final file clips or sounds harsh, try this one key troubleshooting step. Revert to the pre-export saved project, lower the master gain by a few dB, and re-render to prevent distortion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.